Welcome to Zoe's Clay Art.
Hello everyone, it's me, Zoe, and today we're making a tutorial of how to make a cool stop motion background by yourself. So what you need here is you can, and I made this by myself. It looks like rock, guys, but it's actually styrofoam. I make it, but I also put wood here. You can also just use styrofoam and make it the shape as a wood, and then paint it as a wood. We just get real wood, and this is what I make by myself too, a pond. And I paint these by myself, the green parts, and I put these too, the leaf teas. Yeah, and also this is made out of this. We just make one of these like here. We grab one of these. We just got one, and we cut it. We just cut it, but first you need to hold it here. Yep, like that. Cut it. So if we get like that, and then we put like spots of glue, and this is the part I'm gonna put. So yeah, we're gonna use this part for here. Glue. Here, and we're gonna put some more. Start some mini. That's a lot of one. Then we get this and open the scissors, and then do this, and then good thing this glue just dries really long. That glue right there. This is the glue. This glue dries really long, so that's great. So I can put these anytime, but I need to be faster before it. But before it dries, I get more hair because you know.
This one is dry grass.
This is like a dry grass. And you know, like deserts like that. And we didn't paint this because I was thinking like this, the white parts are gonna be like snow. That's the thing. Make it like snow. It's like 3 different biomes mix. It's like grass biome, desert biome, and snow biome. So that's really cool. Yeah. I'm still making more of these. I saw I can make this another pond, but I want to just put one pond only. So more hair. You can find these. And you can find these. It's like you can find these in coconut trees. You can find these coconut trees. This is gonna be the big one, and make sure it's straight, the line, so it makes it good. Make sure you don't, and also you need to remove the one that it's curly, because that's gonna, okay. So we get those, see that? Now next we're gonna cut it with scissors. I hope I don't get cut. I need to, yeah. There you go. We're almost done. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 more to go. So maybe we can just let's just forward it. I mean, oh wait. Let's just how about let's you just make some magic. Boing. Come on. Okay. See? That was from a Zilly magic. See? That was all in my magic. Okay. Now let's teach you about the rocks. The rocks are made of styrofoam, or you can just find real rocks. So you don't need to always like paint it already. Yeah, and also I put leaves here because that looks really cool. See, I just put one leaf here. And I put real rocks here, and one, it's not real, it's this one. Just styrofoam. And also I asked, and in my magic, it just makes this rectangle look like in the number 0. This one, yeah. My magic needs a little bit more snap, like if I snap that will make it. If my snap is much louder, it can make it cooler. Also, guys, you know how I paint this grass? I use my paint here. It's poster paint. It's non-toxic. You know that it's non-toxic. You see, it's without fine. See, non-toxic. You cannot see it, but because of the paint here, but it's non-toxic. And also, now the thing I'm gonna teach you is the painting part of this. So we're gonna use some green, and then we supposed to get the brush. It's right over there. Yeah. Boing. But first I need to wash it with my magic. There. See? It's now clean already. I know how to do some magic. Now put the brush here. Put the paint here. And then now we need a brusher. Now you need to. I don't paint the color brown parts because if there's white, that's the part I'm gonna just put some green on it. Make it really cool. The one I just does is just putting it like this. I don't like just like I just like now I'm gonna it's hard. I guess that both. Okay, if we done this, make sure, not like all of it, just a little bit so it looks like snow. Now, okay, it's not done. I'm just saying now. Done. That was really quick. And now, next in part 3, I will teach you how to make rocks with styrofoam. In part 3, so we're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to Zooey's Clay Art. Click the bell. So subscribe to also watch more videos of me. Subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone, to Zooey's Clay Art. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Bye.